Let it breathe. We need to move it to the good side. I know where to get. I know where to put it. They put the snail over there. Ha ha! Why'd you do the snail?
Saan yung pamangkin mo? Oh, grabe yung ano kasi mahirap ang daan yan.
The crocodile gator. Crocodile gator. Crocodile gator.
Yeah, later.
Yeah, we're gonna invite our friends next time, Father.
Yeah, bring them. The more, the merrier.
Rosa.
In London, you don't have fire.
No, we don't have. Especially for us. So we don't have.
Make the fire booty.
Go follow.
The barbecue.
Oh, yeah.
Barbecue.
This is the future of our communities here.
Yeah, that's why we.
Girls, where do you go to school? All right.
Yo,
I know your
Caesarina.
principal. Felicity.
Oh yeah. Jimmy.
I made that.
Yeah, Jimmy's our neighbor there.
Mommy, I made the mushroom. What about that? First one out and then wins. Out. Back down. In. That doesn't count, bro. We have to fully run around here. But for me, I got the VIP cash. I got in. First one in. Get out of
Si Sarina and her drink. Si Sarina and her drink.
They remain part of my life. Even though they came from here, I kept in touch with them.
What's it called?
Lagay mo ng mais dito, Bill.
Panganda, lilipat na pupunta doon. Mura na October eh.
Yeah, chocolate.
Mura yung October.
Sa'yo ko soon.
Mahal ngayon kasi ano.
Father, then I'm gonna go for the.
Bro, it's literally glitchy
I want
like
to see
over here.
Francis. I was telling Father, can I have an Otis 5? We can have it.
It's
You
like
have to write.
glitching.
You have to write the email.
Bro, it's
Father will do
glitching.
it. Father will book
Let's
it.
pray for a
Bro!
Father will book for
We
us.
arrived there 12 noon. When
He loves cooking.
Are you serious? That's all?
Alaka, lagot ka ngayon. Ako lang po lang luto.
Wanna take
Paella lang muna ng iba, tsaka adobo.
recently I've been cook for father.
Yun lang alam ko luto.
Ito?
Wala nang iba.
But you like the siomai, right?
We cook lechon here.
Yeah, we got it.
Even my brother, he loves.
That's the one that is parent.
Yung ang
Sino? Na special.
Taga Vancouver daw yung parents niya.
Yes.
Ano ba pero sa Vancouver yung ano, may nangyaring
They
kagabi?
keep on like.
oh, the lapu-lapu.
Lapu-lapu
I
festival.
got that.
Crying.
Another wife.
Crying.
She's a Filipina, married to a Spanish, Italian man.
Kabait yun, yung magulang niya. They're really nice.
That's all it is.
That's what you need to organize.
O sige. Ako? Sige lang.
Sunday.
Join ka na sa ano, then. Sa
Ow!